In celebration of a remarkable milestone, we honor a woman whose life's work has touched countless souls, Zubeida Dossal, turning 101 years young on October 15, 2024. As the founding principal of Habib Girls School and co-founder of the Teachers Resource Center, Zubeida Dossal has dedicated her life to empowering young minds through education. To honor her extraordinary legacy, renowned Canadian artist of Pakistani origin, Wahab Jaffer, has generously gifted 101 exquisite paintings. Celebrated for his vibrant and thought-provoking creations, Wahab Jaffer's work reflects a deep connection to heritage, culture, and community.
We are going to celebrate Mrs. Dossal's 101st birthday. She is the person who inspires me. She had it in her, and that's where I get my strength from Mrs. Dossal. Even now, when I'm interviewing her, she's inside. And mashallah, at 100 plus, she's still, in her mind, she's active. And she saw my latest work also by auctioning this silent auction at the function, so that the money goes to educating children in Pakistan, which I thought was a very good idea.
These individually framed artworks are presented for a silent auction, with all proceeds supporting the Canada-Pakistan Business Council's Algoma Unity Program. 101 paintings. One legacy. Endless possibilities.